Welcome. I'm Ira Epstein, and we're here to talk about the new year, what's going on in the different markets. We're not going to cover it a year at a time. We're going to talk about what we see right here and right now. At this point in the new year, what do you look for? Well, I look for money to return to markets. A lot of people take off trading, and very frankly, this Thursday and Friday, I'm recording this on the 2nd of January, which is Thursday. I don't expect big volumes, but they'll come. They'll be better than they were before the Christmas and New Year's holiday. They pick right on back up, and traders start putting money to work again. So where do they go? Well, in the stock indices, you've tried rallies. They're not holding up recently. That doesn't mean we can't hold up, but it means that the traditional Santa Claus rally didn't work this year. There's no guarantee it will ever work, but it works more times than not if you go back quite a bit more times. But we did not get the traditional time frame from Christmas, December 25th, 26th, to the close of business today, January 2nd. That didn't take place. The non-traditional one takes place with the more research from the 17th of December to the 12th of January, and it too is under the gun at this point in time. It didn't come in as late, though, and as at a high point that the traditional one did on the 26th in price. In the currency market, we are looking for the dollar, and it's doing it, to be running up. We have what we call at our firm price counts. And if you go to our website, iraepstein.com, free offers, price counts are something you want to sign up for to get a feel for them. It doesn't predict the trend, but once a trend sets in, it tells you where the trend might in fact be going. And we have counts that are up here in the 109.5 to 110 zone in the dollar index, and we're quickly approaching them. What else do we look at? Metals. The gold market came on, started out today with a very strong bid, up at $1.30 some odd dollars an ounce. It's been under pressure. It has been $200 off the high that it made late 2024. It's amazing how I talk back at that time frame, but that's basically what has happened. The silver market following gold a little bit, but the copper market staying under pressure, and it should until we know what China's going to do to stimulate their economy. They consume half the copper of the world, so you've got to look at that. As for interest rates, well, all I had to see today was the jobless claims at an 8-month low, and I don't know how you predict that the Fed's going to do anything with that. If the claims aren't falling, there's a reason for it. People are finding jobs or they have jobs. So I think you've just got to sit back right now and assume that the Fed is not going to do anything until the end of the quarter, and the market will have a hard time holding futures markets rallies on that basis. You'll get short covering here and there, but that's about it. The wild card, President Trump, of course. What is going to be the impact of whatever he does? Will the man come out and do something in the way of additional tariffs? Will he not put the tariffs on Canada or Mexico? Don't know. The one country that's going to get the tariffs, in my opinion, is going to be China. China's taken the exact opposite approach that I'm sure the president didn't want to see. They hunkered down. They're going to do their own stimulus. They're letting their yuan fall to new lows outside of the bands that they had been holding. And they're additionally putting on more export controls, we can call them tariffs, to anything in the U.S. that could have to do with arms. Again, they don't like the fact that we keep selling to Taiwan arms. So that's what you've got to look at there. So those, I think, are what you look at in the market right now. Obviously, the closer we get, you have to wonder where we're going to be with the Fed budget, and that's going to come up for January 15th. Can we get a House Speaker elected, and on what round, and who will it be? That's all got to take place tomorrow before the House of Representatives can do anything. So there's a lot right in front of you. Don't rush at the market. Let the market come to you. And with that, make a habit of going to our website. As you can see, it's iraepstein.com. You can see this right through here. We're having a charting course sale that will end this weekend. You might want to take a hard and fast look at that. If you decide to get my research, well, free research is right here each day. I put up 4 videos a day, Monday through Friday. And then I start again for you the following Monday morning. So you get quite a bit there. But the real guts of what we do is in the research right here. And when you come in, it comes to the different different parts that we have in the different packages. It explains that. Courses that we have right through here. You come in, you take a look at the different courses, and away you go. And it gives you an idea of trading, at least my concept of it. I try to keep it simple. When you make things too complex, they generally get so complex you can't make a decision. We don't go about it that way. So I'm Ira Epstein. I want to wish you all a happy new year. Have a great trading year, and I'll see you next week with another one of these snippets. You take care.